Did you know that nearly half of all adults age 30 and above suffer from some form of gum disease? Yet, it's often overlooked as a serious health concern. Gum diseases are more common than you might think, and they don't just affect your mouth. Unhealthy gums can have far-reaching implications for your overall health. This makes the care and attention we give to our gums incredibly vital. But don't worry, you still have time to save your gums, and here's how. There are 4 key things that can save your gums. Each of these steps is essential, and together they form a robust defense against gum disease and other oral health issues. Firstly, make sure you brush your teeth twice a day properly. Now, you might be thinking, I've heard this a million times before, but it bears repeating. Brushing your teeth isn't just about keeping your pearly whites sparkling, it's about removing the plaque and food particles that, if left unchecked, can lead to gum disease. Brush in the morning to kickstart your day on a fresh note, and brush at night to ensure that your mouth is clean before you sleep. Secondly, floss daily. Now, flossing might seem like a chore, but it's an absolute game changer for your oral health. You see, brushing can't get to everything. There are crevices and spaces between your teeth where food and plaque can hide, and that's where flossing comes in. By flossing daily, you're doing what brushing can't. You're removing the hidden culprits that lurk between your teeth and along the gum line. Thirdly, quit smoking. If you're a smoker, this might be a tough one, but it's crucial. Smoking doesn't just stain your teeth and give you bad breath, it weakens your immune system, making it harder for your body to fight off a gum infection. Plus, once you have gum disease, smoking makes it harder for your gums to heal. So for the sake of your gums, it's time to say goodbye to cigarettes. Lastly, visit your dentist regularly. Your dentist is your ally in this fight against gum disease. They have the tools and the expertise to detect early gum disease symptoms. By visiting your dentist on a regular basis, you're giving yourself the best chance to catch any potential problems early and to address them before they become serious. Remember, these 4 steps can go a long way in protecting your gums. It's not just about having a beautiful smile, it's about maintaining a healthy mouth and, ultimately, a healthier you. Let's quickly recap the 4 key things that can save your gums. First, brushing properly, not just quickly. It's about precision, not speed. Second, flossing daily, it's not an option but a necessity. Third, quitting smoking, because your gums deserve better than tobacco. And lastly, regular dental visits, because prevention is always better than cure. Each point is vital, not just for your gums but your overall health. Your gums are the foundation of your oral health. Take care of them and they'll take care of you.